recent file, because this file I'm working on before. So you don't have any recent file, you just have something like this. So the first thing you do is to click on this menu, click on workspace. Is it the workspace? Click on workspace. So if you click on that workspace, you come to this place. You need to create our folder. So you have to create a folder where we'll be working on. So let's create a new folder. You're going to create a new folder. Let me call it a newbie. Can call it newbie projects. Yeah. Newbie projects. Yeah. So let's create this. So you now open the folder. Let's open our folder. So here inside our folder, let's create a file. You click on this plus icon to create a file. Click on the plus icon, create a file. So okay, create like new file. Click on new file. So let's call the file index.html. You can put any name at the front. You see this place, you can put any name there, but let it end with index.html, or let it end with HTML. That is a programming language for browser to read it, like Chrome, Fire, all this, Safari, any browser can mention, about. So for them to be able to read it. Okay, this particular website though was created with HTML. Should grab now. So you guys to make sure that it ends with HTML. So let's create this. The next thing you are going to create our style sheet, which is CSS. You understand this thing later. Let's call it style.css. Make sure that you can put anything at the front, but make sure that it ends with .css. Nice. So make sure that it's ends with .css. So that go. I'm supposed to tell you guys the elements and attributes of HTML and CSS, but I don't think that's really necessary at this stage, because it's not that necessary stuff. Because before now you'll be learning the elements, you'll be learning the element of HTML, the attribute of HTML, the element of CSS, and we all this the color code and everything, but that is not necessary. So as you are going